Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this digital alarm clock. I really like how simplistic and modern this alarm clock is. Picking it up, you can see how big the numbers are right there. And it's super easy to use the buttons on the back. You've got the plus and minus button right here to adjust the time up or down. You've got this volume button. You can see the speakers right there. It's got battery backup with a CR232 battery included. It comes with the cable, it comes with the wall brick. You've also got a USB port here for charging. That's very important nowadays. You can adjust the dimness of the display. I like it on full blast. You got a nice big snooze button on top. You hold this down to set the time. Click it again and you can set the minutes. And right here you've got the alarm button to go ahead and set the alarm. You just want to hold that down. And you can set the time like that. There's also 2 alarm options. Overall, I highly recommend this alarm clock. Thanks for watching.